Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the ProtoArc Bluetooth Mechanical Keyboard, the MECH K300, a versatile and quiet keyboard perfect for both office work and gaming. This keyboard offers a fluid typing experience with low-profile mechanical tactile keys that provide sensitive responses, making it ideal for efficient work. With 14 changeable backlit modes, you can easily type in darker environments and customize the lighting to suit your preferences. Seamlessly switch between up to 3 devices using Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G USB, or wired connections, allowing you to transition smoothly from work to play. The built-in 1900 mAh rechargeable battery ensures up to 30 days of use on a full charge, or an impressive 120 days with the backlighting off. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android systems, this keyboard allows you to switch between operating systems with a single click. Plus, the programmable macro functions let you customize shortcuts to boost your productivity, though note that programming is available only in wired mode. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.